Hello guys, in this video we will see how a PID controller is used in Siemens PLC to control a liquid level of tank. Right, so here in this screen we will see how I programmed the PLC. Right, here I am taking the data from the factory IO environment. It is analog data coming at Normax. Right, it is the data is coming in is between 0 to 10, so I have written the minimum and maximum limit is 0 to 10, and then it's going to scale. Right, it is going to 0 to 300. Right, now here I have created a PID compact controller using cyclic interrupt. Right, uh, and here this is another rung in cyclic interrupt where I don't need this subtraction actually. Right, I just need on off switch here. I created on off switch for PID controller. Right, this switch you can see now in device configuration. Let's see properties. Now here you can see OPCUA address. Right, and this is OPCUA address activated. OPCUA server is active. Right, next the next settings you need to do is let's see here the settings will be like this. Right, this will be blank, no need to fill up. Right, everything will be as it is, nothing need to be changed. Right, we will go down. Right, and one setting is needed to be changed still. Let's see, here you can see no security, it's already, I didn't do anything here also. This is as by default. Right, you can see in the factory environment where there is a tank and a panel having to display push buttons. Right, so when we vary the discharge valve, when we rotate the potentiometer, the discharge valve opens and closes. Now here let's go to cyclic interrupt where we have installed the PID controller, we have programmed it. Right, so here the system is off right now, you can see, and that is why there is difference. Right, 103 and 74, there is too much difference. Right, when the system will be turned on, you will see the difference will be start decreasing. Right, now let's look at the tank. We can see the difference came to 93. Now there is still a issue. Right, you can see and difference decreasing. By the way, difference is very close because of PID controller. Right, it's only because of PID controller. Now here you can see the configuration, how I connected all the variables through OPCUA server. Right, actually I named all the variables the suffix name SMS, and by default I search the name by SMS, so all the variables related to SMS shown up. right? So by this way we filtered the tag, right? We do this to filter out the tag we needed, right? We can do this technique, we can use this. Now let's see this PID controller values. Here you can see the tags, all tags that I have used, right? uh, all the information is available here about tags, right? Or you can get all the information at neuroread.org project. Okay guys, take care.